So hello everyone, welcome to the LLM Engineering Academy. So before we write a single line about AI or about ML or about deep learning or about transformer or about GPT or even like fine tuning or like the RAG, I want to build something much more important. Like I want to build your foundation. So before knowing all these, what are the AI, ML, DL, I will build your foundation. So because one thing I have learned after studying AI system is this: the strongest AI engineer are most always the one with the strongest foundations. So whoever the AI engineer who have the strongest fundamentals, they are the strongest AI engineers, and that's exactly what we are going to build. So before we begin this lesson, I want you to see the complete journey. So before we will start, I will just explain the whole journey, like what we are going to learn in this course, because when you know what we are going, even learning start making sense. So we will start with the computer fundamentals. Then we will learn about the Python, the programming language. Then we will learn about the mathematics, which need to learn in AI. Then we will learn about the machine learning. Then we will learn about the deep learning. Then we will learn about the NLP. Then we will go to transformer. We will understand everything, like the architecture and the basics and advanced everything. Then we will go to large language model, LLM. Then we will learn about what is prompt engineering, and we will also understand what types of prompt engineering and everything. Then we will understand regarding fine tuning, then the RAG. Then we will go into the AI agents. Then after that we will make a small application, and then we will learn deployment. And after that we will make a enterprise project. After learning all this, we will make a project also, because only learning will not give you all the information. We need to make a project also to understand better. So everything in this course is connected, like everything we will learn fundamentals, then Python, then mathematics, everything in sequence, everything is connected. Each module prepares you for the next. If you will, for example, today we are going to study computers. We will not go into the AI directly. We will start with the computers, and there is a reason for that. Imagine teaching someone how to build a Formula 1 race car before they have learned about what is engine. Okay, and directly we are explaining them the Formula 1 race cars. Okay, so it would not make sense. And an LLM is built on top of computers. So the LLM is built on top of computers. Okay, So first we should understand regarding the computers. So now we will start with the lesson .1. Okay. Like how can ChatGPT understand human language? Okay. So we will learn about this in today's class. So we are not going to learn any coding, we are not going to learn any mathematics, or we are not going to train a model. Instead we are going to answer one question, and honestly this might be the most important question in the entire academy. So I want you to imagine something. You open ChatGPT, okay? You open ChatGPT and type hello. When we can just demonstrate if I have ChatGPT. Okay, I don't have. Even though in the Google AI you can check like hello. Okay. So even we are using the Google AI, for now I don't have ChatGPT installed in it. So if I will write hello AI, then you press enter, then it will like greet you, hello, I am AI, ready to help you. You probably done this hundreds times, okay? So have you ever stopped to ask what actually happened after I press enter? See, after writing hello AI, we press enter. What actually happened? So to understand this, you ask something, then press enter, okay? Then something happened in backend, okay? And its reply, it's great, it's reply, okay? It's replied, okay? So you ask something, okay? I need reply. So everything we are going to learn today is hidden behind this question mark. Like if we ask hi, okay? So how it's understand like it's what the answer is giving. So everything we are going to learn in today's class is hidden behind this mark. So you can pause this video. I want to pause this video for a moment and take a notebook, write your answer, or you can comment also. So don't research, don't do ChatGPT, just write what you think, okay? So let's destroy the biggest myth of AI, myth in AI, okay? So most people believe computer understand English, okay? Many of you would have like think like computer understand English, but that isn't true. Computer don't understand English. They don't understand the computer don't understand English, even it don't understand Hindi, or even Tamil, or even any language, Chinese or any language. So if computer don't understand any language, okay, so how can ChatGPT answer our question, like how or anything we ask? Is that? So to understand this, so we will like woman language, then meaning, then emotion, then intent. Okay, now women understand all these things. Okay, they understand language, they understand meaning, they understand emotion, they understand intent. Now coming to computer, what they understand in language, what in meaning, what in emotion, what in intent. So what do you think all belong here? So you can write in comments like what things should be here. So the answer is surprisingly simple. So you can pause the video and just answer it. Now I am going to answer this. So the answer is surprisingly, computer only understand electricity, nothing else. Computer only understand electricity. So human understand language, meaning, emotion, intent, but computer only understand electricity. So everything, absolutely everything inside your computer start with electricity. Every photos, every movies you watch, every game, every Gmail, every website, even every AI models, everything understand electricity. So in electricity we have two things: off, on. This is tiny switch, okay? This is a tiny switch. This tiny switch is going to change the way you think about computer forever, because this simple idea is the foundation of every modern computer. And without understanding this, you can never fully understand the LLM. Now, like what if I told you that every conversation you ever had with GPT, every image you ever taken, or every image you ever taken, or every YouTube video you ever watched is nothing more than billions of these tiny switches. This tiny switches is nothing more than billions of these tiny switches, like on, off. How is that even possible? Okay, so you guys would have getting question like how is that even possible? So that's exactly what we are we will discover in next part. So for this part, this much only. So in next part, this is the main thing we will discover, like how even our videos, LLMs or image, everything is nothing more than billions of tiny switches. So thank you guys.